Resumes that get you hired. The proven guide to landing your dream job *. Be honest. How many resumes have you sent out this year? 5, 10, maybe and how many replies did you actually get? If your answer is not many, you're not alone. The truth is, more than 70% of resumes get rejected before they reach a human. That's because companies use software called an ATS, or Applicant Tracking System, to scan every resume first. But don't worry, once you understand how these systems work, you can turn your resume into a job magnet. Let's talk about how to do exactly that. Step 1. Structure matters more than you think. A clean, well-organized layout isn't just easier to read, it's crucial for ATS's compatibility. Keep your formatting simple. Use standard fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Stick to black text on a white background. Avoid tables, graphics, and icons. Most ATS scanners can't read them. If you're unsure where to start, use resume templates designed specifically for ATS systems. They're not flashy, but they get the job done, and that's what gets you hired. Next up, keywords. Think of them as the language your resume needs to speak. Every job description is filled with clues, words, and phrases that describe the ideal candidate. Your goal is to reflect those exact terms in your resume naturally. For example, if the job listing says project management or data analysis, make sure those words appear in your experience section. Don't just say worked on projects, say lead project management initiatives using data-driven insights. That's what gets noticed both by the ATS and the hiring manager. Here's another pro tip. Don't use the same resume for every job. Tailor it. Adjust your summary and bullet points based on each job description, and always include numbers and results. Saying improved sales is okay, but saying increased sales by 25% in 6 months instantly builds credibility. Recruiters love data. It shows proof of impact. Now, if you're not sure how well your resume performs in an ATS scan, here's where the magic comes in. Literally. Head over to MagicalAPI.com. Their free ATS resume checker instantly analyzes your resume, scores it for compatibility, and gives you clear, actionable tips to improve it. Plus, they offer professional resume templates tailored for different industries from marketing to tech to finance, so you don't have to build one from scratch. At the end of the day, your resume is your first impression, your handshake before the interview. Make it count. Use the right format, the right keywords, and the right tools. Because with a strong resume, you're not just applying for jobs. You're opening doors. So go check your resume today on MagicalAPI.com and get ready to land the job you've been dreaming about. Transforming careers in data analysis with the power of AI with MagicalAPI. www.magicalapi.com